Hi, Alison here from Gardening by Design with a quick video tip on plants for permanently wet and very dry places. So if you have an accidental or deliberate bog garden, there are plenty of great plants for it. Some can grow either in shallow water or boggy soil, and these are often called marginals, such as these native yellow marsh marigolds, and Darmera, with its tall flower heads above a clump of rounded glossy green leaves. The delicate Iris sibirica is ideal for planting in boggy soil, but will also be fine in a damp border. But note this is a different species from the sun-loving large bearded irises, so check the labels. In complete contrast are the huge leaves of Gunnera that can grow up to 2 meters tall by the end of the year and dies back in the winter. At the other end of the scale is dry soil that's free draining even in winter. There are many shrubs, along with hardy perennials and grasses, such as those used in this prairie-style planting, that are happy in dry soil once their root system is established. I explained that plants suited to boggy places often have large leaves because water loss is not a problem. So if you need plants for dry spots, what adaptation might you look for? Well done if you said reducing water loss through the leaves. And this makes sense because there is so little water around the roots to replace what is lost. Plants from dry habitats often have small leaves. Some are needle-like and small and waxy to reduce evaporation, like this leptospermum with the red flowers at the back of the photograph. And many are just very small and ground-hugging, like the creeping thyme in this herb garden. The bees love the tiny mauve flowers. Another visual guide to plants that may be drought tolerant is grey leaves. Lavender is probably the most well known. In fact, the leaves are green, full of chlorophyll, but they look grey because a covering of tiny hairs traps air and reduces water loss. Eryngiums take a different tack. They have thin, spiky leaves. Basically, the plants are spiky all over, and they love dry conditions. The genus includes the UK native sea holly that even grows on sand dunes. There's more information about how the box of tricks can help you to plan, plant and look after your plot on my Gardening by Design website, where you can also buy topics and sign up for the newsletter. I hope to see you again soon. Happy gardening!